This is like induction stove owner's nightmare. Something's been sort of burnt onto the induction oven. I have tried to use this ceramic glass induction cleaner, and I've also tried sort of soaking it with kitchen towels, and it didn't work. So I looked up baking soda and white vinegar, and people are talking about that, but I'm just going to try vinegar baking powder and sprinkle it on here. Then I'm going to get some vinegar and then put it on there, just leave it there for a few hours. And just going to pour a little bit on top. Now I have done vinegar on top of shower screens before, which did not work, but vinegar does work on tapware, it seems. So this seems to be bubbling away. I was going to leave it for a few hours, but I can't wait, so just seeing if this comes off at all. And it doesn't seem to come off, it seems to be just sitting on top of that substance. So nothing's happening yet. See whether I can see how that's just sitting on top of it. That looks bad. Okay, well, I'm gonna wipe that over the surface, and it doesn't seem to make any difference. So what I'm gonna do is soak this area like this. I did do this with tapware before, and then just put vinegar on top of it like this, and I'm going to leave that until it dries out and hope that it works. So that's going to sit on top like this and hope that it sticks onto the kitchen towel magically. See what I've added more because it hasn't done anything, so I'm just going to leave this for another 15 minutes, and I'm going to go buy a scraper. Crazy, finally found it. It was in this section. It's a steel cooktop scraper for ceramic glass induction. Gold. Ooh, that looks dangerous. Okay, so that's been sitting there for some. Ooh! I didn't even need to. Okay, hold on. Let's say 45-degree angle. 45. No way, that is actually coming off. So all the scraping has been done, more or less. And let's just a bit further. Back up further. Let's have a look and see whether there's anything left to see. So that's pretty much awesome. Hallelujah. So you can see that it's practically, it's all gone. This thing was pretty useful. So you have to go at 45 degrees. And honestly, it kind of looks like there are some light scratches on the top there. I'm not sure what else I would have done. It looks like it's pretty clean. See a little bit of streaking there. But I think that's a pretty good job. Explain what this is. It's basically a razor blade. So if you don't have this, you could probably just use a razor blade, but it's hard to get the leverage, I suppose. So this sits on top here, like this, and then this thing goes on top of it. I'm hoping it's stainless steel. No idea. It's probably stainless steel. Otherwise it's going to rust. I've dried it anyway just to make sure. I have a feeling I'm going to need this guy again. So you screw that on. Basically you slide it up to safety, I presume. And that stops you from cutting yourself. And that kind of locks in there. Okay, so that's a good little device. And it's called the Cooktop Scraper by Hillmark for ceramic glass induction tops. It comes with 5 blades as well. These are the instructions. I suspect that you probably can get away with just a razor blade. And now I'm going to dry this guy. And you can see that there's still a little bit of markings where that stain was, but at least the caking on top of it's gone. But otherwise it looks pretty good. But I don't think we're going to be able to keep this guy completely clean and free from scratches and free from any marks at all. Oh, that's quite standard because there's still a little bit of a mark there. So I'm going to get this, oh, not this one, the cooktop, the ceramic and glass induction cooktop cleaner, cesaral, and put a little bit on there. Just to see if I can clean the rest of it off. And all right, it's kind of not really making a lot of difference that I can tell. Maybe it is. I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. So there you go. By the way, I can see very light scratch marks. I hope I didn't. It was probably my fault. But it could have been from cookware from before. And I think, you guys can see that, but that's pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. I think that's a win. That is a win. Okay, now after all that effort, it makes sense now to use this cooktop protector, which came with this Electrolux thingy-bob. Instructions say, apply sparingly, rub it with a clean soft cloth or paper towel, ensuring that, okay, polish with a clean dry soft cloth, do not use dye marks, prints, or, okay, whatever. So, I'll put a little bit of this stuff, I said sparingly, and I'm going to use a clean bit of my paper towel, and then just wipe it on there. Alright. Just now, I'm paranoid about anything scratching this piece of glass. Okay. And then you're supposed to dry it with a soft cloth. But honestly, it's late and I can't be bothered. Looks like it's pretty dry already. There you have it. I'm a bit impatient and I want to see whether this substance has helped. It's obviously not coming off by itself. Now I don't have a metal razor scraper, but I thought maybe a piece of metal that's kind of smooth here may work. No. Nope. I don't think. Ooh. Phew. Don't think it's causing any damage, but it's certainly not doing anything. It caused damage, but it's not doing anything. And it's still there. So it doesn't seem to be coming off at all.